What's going on, guys? It's Alan on Wheels, back at it. It's been a while, I know. But today we're going to be doing a full detail on this car right here. So this is my grandmother's car. Sits outside every day. As you can see, it's taking quite a beating. And we're just going to go through the process of doing a pre-purchase clean here. She's going to be selling it, so inside it's really not bad. She mainly took her dog in it. Oh, door just hit me. As you can see back here, I'm really not going to go into too much detail. It's going to be more of like a time-lapse type deal, as it's kind of hard to video and do the detail. But pretty much what I'm going to do is wash down the whole entire vehicle, and then we're going to degrease the whole entire engine bay, and then spray it off, and then degrease the wheels and tires, rinse those off. And after we're done with the engine bay, I'm gonna put a like tire shine, like a just like a tire shine type thing on the engine, just to bring it some shine into the plastic and stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so we got everything set up here. I got my wash bucket, my cleaning bucket, my wheel tools, my degreaser, foam cannon with my chemical guys, snow foam. And we got our pressure washer hooked up, just electric, 1800 psi pressure, or 1600 psi. And we're just gonna rinse this thing down thoroughly, try to get rid of everything we can get with just water. Just try to get rid of all this crap all over this thing. I mean, it's terrible. So we're gonna start off by just a good rinse off, and then get into degreasing the engine. All right, guys, so a little update here. We're about almost done with the outside here. So what I did, I rinsed it off, like I said, degreased the engine. After that, I sprayed a protectant. I sprayed tire shine on there. Honestly, I would not use this, but it works. You really want something that's water-based, so that's ideal. And then next, I just did a pre-rinse. So I sprayed the foam on there and then just rinse it off, really just to help collect the dirt up and just get a good initial spray off before I start to actually hand wash it. That way, when I go to hand wash, there's not a lot of dirt build up, and so we don't scratch the vehicle. So that's the next step. We're gonna foam it again and then do a hand wash. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up here. So I'm all finished. Here's the finished product of the engine bay. Looks good, looks good. And as soon as you heat up that engine, it'll dry it all off and it'll look amazing. Got all the windows done. There was a dog in this car, so I really had to work on these back windows. Then we're gonna do the finishing touch and look at the interior. Did just a basic vacuum and then scrub down the carpets, and also use that hairbrush. Really need some more light in here, but came out really good. Didn't do an over the top job, but you can see where it's wet still from where I was spot cleaning. I just used a little brush and some all-purpose cleaner, and then scrub it and then wipe it up, and then just finish with a vacuum at the end. That's about it. So that's it, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Just another video. I'm sorry it wasn't too in-depth or anything. I'm just recording on my cell phone right now. I don't have the GoPro with me, but I figured to make a video on this one because it was a pretty tough job. But that's about it, guys. If you got any questions about products or tools or anything that I use, make sure to leave a comment. I know my lip looks weird. I got hit in the face. So